Now solve the viewers. I'm making this video for revision of the first term geometry of grade 7 maths. Here I start. So first I start with the understanding of and using of the vertical opposite angles. So vertical opposite angles are those which are formed by intersection of two straight lines. So here I go with one example. So here two straight lines have been intersected, and I'm making, here you see angles A and B. These are formed in opposite side of these two lines. So these are vertically opposite angles, and relation between these two angles, they are equal. So you can say here A equal with B. So reason we provide here, being vertically opposite angles, being vertically opposite angles. And same like in the same diagram, we can find another pair of vertical opposite angles, C with D. So the same thing, is it? Same reason you have to provide, being vertically opposite angles. So with relating with this, let's do one solution over here. Okay, example 1 I say here. So here we are provided this one angle 2x plus 10 degree, right? And this angle is provided here 130 degree. So question is, find the value of x. Find the value of sorry find the value of x, is it? So what happens, or what we do here is, these two angles 2x plus 10 and 130, they are formed in opposite sides when these two lines are intersecting. So these are vertically opposite angles. So we say here these two angles are equal, 2x plus 10 and 130 we can say equal. Reason we provide here, being vertically opposite angles. And after we do that, we can find a solution. So which to send it first, be very sure. So 10 is adding here, this is send to the next side first. So 2x equal to 130 minus 10 we do, and that will give you 2x equal to 120 degree. And now 2 that's getting multiplied here, is it? So this we send for dividing, or we use, so x equal to 120 divided by 2. So this way we get here value of x equal to 60 degree. Now I go with another example. Okay, now in the next example here, so here given some pair of angles x, a, b and c, is it? So here question is, identify the pair of vertically opposite angles. Example 2, identify pair of identify pair of vertically opposite angles. So here we clearly see x is vertical opposite with b, is it? And a is vertical opposite with c. So we just say, mention here the thing. So x is equal with b and a equal with c. So these are the pair of vertically opposite angles. So you say here, being vertically opposite angles. Okay, so we go with next now. Now we'll be studying about the complementary and supplementary angles. So I read this. Let's talk about complementary angles. So complementary angles are those whose sum is 90 degree, right? And there is a symbol of perpendicular. Right? So here, so here one angle is made, right angle, is it? And now this right angle, if we break into some part of angles, then sum of their angles will be again same 90 degree. So I break this into part. So here two angles I formed by breaking this whole 90 degree. So here this one angle A and this one angle is 30 degree, is it? So A and 30, so their sum would be 90 degree. So here we write A plus 30 equal to 90 degree, and reason we provide here being complementary angle, being complementary angles. And now it will make you get here value of A solve, is it? So A equal to 90 minus 30 do, so this way we get the value of A equal to 60 degree. So we found one example. Now we go with another one. Very like same. Okay, so let's keep this as the x, your right angle, and another angle let's keep here 2x. Okay? So question is find value of x. Find value of x. So what we do here is we splitted this whole right angle into two angles here, x and 2x. So their sum must be 90 degree again, is it? So we do here x plus 2x equal to 90 degree. Is it? So reason we provide here being complementary angles. Being complementary angles. So you get here 3x equal to 90 and x will become here 90 by 3, so equal to 30 degree. So value of x we got here 30 degree, is it? So it's for the complementary angles. Now we go next for the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So supplementary angles are those whose sum is 180 degree and is found in this straight line mostly. So here I made one straight line, is it? And its amount total is 180 degree, is it? 180 degree. And now if we wish to break this angle into many parts, 2 part, 3 part, is it? Their sum again will become same. So I separate here this whole straight angle into two parts. So this I say x and this I say y. So here x plus y equal to 180 degree we have, and for this we provide the reason being supplementary angles, and these are adjacent over here, so we can say adjacent supplementary angles also. And instead of that, if we break this angle into three parts, right? So I separated this into the three parts, suppose. So let these be A, B, and C. Is it? So their sum will be again 180 degree, because whole angle 180 degree is separated into three parts. Is it? So their sum is 180 degree, and reason we provide here being supplementary angles, or we may say here sum of angles on straight line is 180 degree, right? So let's go with example for this kind. Okay, so here I'm keeping this angle as 150 degree, and this angle I'm keeping 3x, right? So question is find value of x. Find value of x. So the thing is what, these 3x and 150, is it? So these are the angles on the straight line, is it? So their sum should be 180 degree. So we say here 3x plus 150 degree equal to 180 degree, is it? So after that we can solve it. So 3x equal to 180 minus 150, so it will give you 3x equal to 30 degree, and 3 is getting multiplied, so it will go down for dividing. So x equal to 30 by 3, that is x equal to 10 degrees. So this we can find the value of x, 10 degree. Now I go with another example. Okay, so here I'm breaking this straight angle into the two angles, keeping here 120 degree, and this I'm keeping here x plus 20 degree, or you may say 2x plus 20 degree, right? So here find value of x. Find value of x. So concept is very same. So here whole straight angle is split into two parts, 2x plus 20 degree and 120 degree. So their sum will be 180 degree. So we say here 2x plus 20 plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. So reason you'll be providing sum of angles on straight line is 180 or supplementary angles. So 2x plus, now 20 and 120 you get added first, okay? So you get there 140 degree equal to here 180, or you have to use, so 2x equal to 180 minus 140, is it? Plus you send to another side, you get there minus, is it? So this will give you 2x equal to 40 degree. So x equal to 40 degree divided by 2, so that way you get there x equal to 20 degree, is it? And reason is what, being supplementary angle, being supplementary angle, you say. Now I go with another example of the same kind. Here I am keeping one right angle. Okay, so this angle here is 90 degree, I'm keeping 90, and here this angle is 45 degree, and this angle x, right? So the thing is find value of x. So the process is very same. So here you see three angles, 45 degree, this 90 degree, and x, which you need to find. So sum of these angles equal to same again, 180 degree. So you say here x plus 45 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So reason you should provide sum of angles on straight line is 180, or being straight angle. So here you say x plus 135 degree equal to 180 degree. 45 and 90 we have added first, and then this 135 we send to the another side, so we get there x equal to 45 degree. Now after that, another example we go for this kind. Now I'm mixing the thing of the vertical opposite and the supplementary angle. Okay, so here angles are like, this is 2x and here this is 110 degree, and another angle here I'm keeping A and B. Is it? So question is, find the value of x, a and b. Find values of x, a and b. Is it? So with 110 degree we can relate here so many angles. 2x you can directly relate, a you can relate, b you can relate. Is it? So I'm making relating with the 2x first, right? So 2x and 110, these are lying on opposite side. Is it? When these two lines have been intersected here, so these are vertically opposite angles and their relation is equal. Is it? So that you do first. Yeah, 2x equal to 110 degree you can say, by giving the reason being vertically opposite angle, being vertically opposite angles. So x equal to 110 by 2 you do, so you get there x equal to 55 degree. Is it? And once you get value of x, now you can find a and b, right? So here a and b are related. See, so with 110, a is the supplementary angle because these are the angles which are lying on the same straight line. So you can see this separately. So this, they are lying this way. Is it? So here this is 110 degree and this is a. So clearly we see a and 110, they are angles lying on a straight line, so their sum we can take 180 degree. Right? So you do here a plus 110 equal to 180 degree. Is it? So this will give you a equal to 180 minus 110, so a will become here 70 degree. And reason you provide here being supplementary angle or being adjacent supplementary angle or being sum of angles on a straight line for this, right? And now next is here b, which you have to find, and here a and b, these two are also vertical opposite. A and b are also what? They are vertically opposite angles. So you say here a equal with b. So reason you provide here being vertically opposite angle. So I just keep here abbreviation, we may write in full. So a equal to b, it means what? A already becomes 70, so b angle will also become 70 degrees. So you see here b also equal to 70 degree, right? So this way we can understand the concept of the vertical use and application of the vertical opposite angles, complementary and supplementary angles, and angles on this straight line. So these are the things which are very basic for the grade 7 math of the geometry for the first time.